Happy New Year. Fight through the pain. I mean, not to say that Adam Sandler isn't aesthetic. Like, oh my god, I can feel it. I'm just like falling victim to these like social expectations. Screw the haters. Oh my god. I don't even know if I can come back from this. Apparently, I'm susceptible to gum disease. Girly pepperoni! Okay, ew, that was gross. Anyway, Happy New Year! The amumi flavoring is just a little strong, but not like super strong. I like it. Again, a very aesthetic matcha for today. Happy New Year. Yeah, it is the middle of January, but we're not gonna talk about that. It's been 1 year since I started my first annual glow up series. Wow. I feel like my 2023 glow up video really just set the bar for me and kind of like kickstarted this whole journey. Anyway, Happy New Year. It's glow up season. We've got a lot of work to do. I already have my nails done, so like she is gorgeous. She has no other business being changed. He wants to say hi. Say hi, Beanie. Today, we're gonna glow the hell up. As you can tell, my skin is really going through it. Okay, I need to calm down. As you can tell, my skin is like really going through it. Like, girly needs help. We gotta get into the New Year vibes. We gotta glow up. We gotta prep ourselves. We gotta look physically and mentally ready for the new year. It's grind time, baby. This year, we're gonna pop off, okay? So, we have a whole list of things to do, guys. Like, I better look like a whole freaking brand new person after this. Let's just get into it. It's so gloomy outside. This is not conducive to glow up vibes, but it's okay. Like, do you see the cloudiness out there? We'll just have to deal with it. So we're gonna try to like fix up this skin with like some face masks. We're gonna try to like sculpt my face. We've got to shave the Legos. I also want to paint my toes, but like I don't want to show that on camera. But we'll see. We also gotta fix my hair. Why is she so ugly? She's not okay. Anyway, let's get into it. So the first part of the glow up, as we know, is the workout, because we gotta get strong and get our mind right. So we're gonna do a little workout. I decided to break out my little Set Active set. This is literally the cutest thing ever. Like, I love this color. It's like a light gray. So cute. I feel like I could probably see my sweat in this if I was like doing something very hardcore. But it's so soft. So let me change into this. Guys, this is literally the cutest little set ever. It's a little bit exposing, but it's fine. I'm just at home by myself today, so it's fine. But is she not like so cute? Also like so soft too. Okay, I got my little iPad here. We're gonna pull up a workout video. Oops. So you guys know that I've been wanting to incorporate abs, so let's do a little ab workout from Hikari. I love this one. Fight through the pain! Guys, this video doesn't have any breaks. Okay. Bye-bye. I just finished the 5-minute ab workout. Honestly, I really recommend this one because like it's only 5 minutes. So like if you only have 5 minutes in a day, like she's kind of hefty. I need to relax. Do a little booty workout because I want that booty pump. Should we do a Daisy Keech? I don't know. Maybe Alexis Ren. Like I heard that she has like a good butt workout, right?
One eternity later.
I just finished and I'm stretching. Oh my god. I don't think I've done a butt workout like that in a long time. Like it wasn't even that hard relatively, but like actually yeah, relatively it was hard for me. My butt burns, but we're stretching now. Let's just keep up the stretching because I rarely stretch. We're gonna shave the legs, by the way, okay? Okay, girlies, the shower is done. I feel squeaky clean. I didn't wash my hair because I'm trying to wash my hair less this year. Apparently washing your hair too much is bad for you and it like strips the oils, so we're trying to go like every 2 days. Anyway, let's change into this little PJ set because all the wellness girlies were saying that the PJ set is just like the best thing to ever exist. Guys, this is just giving sophistication. Okay, I can't button these. Guys, oh, mentally, like, I think this just puts me in the mood of like feeling fresh and clean. I know it's like kind of silly that like an outfit could make you feel better, but it does. You know, if I were to just wear my big t-shirt Adam Sandler outfit, I'd probably feel like big t-shirt Adam Sandler vibes. I'm not trying to feel like that right now. I mean, not to say that Adam Sandler isn't aesthetic, like it is like an aesthetic on its own, but like this is the aesthetic that I want to be right now. Let's get some skincare on this girl. So I got this thing, it's called a Zip Halo. And apparently this is supposed to be like your face. It's supposed to give you this like super snatched look. I'm kind of skeptical about these things. Like I don't really believe in the gua shaing and the just like rollers. But apparently this thing has like electricity thingies. Honestly, so far, she is cute. Comes with this electric complex. I always fail when I don't read the instructions.
Apply 48 pumps of gel over the face and jawline. Once you ready to start the lift facial. When you hear the beep, look to the other side of your face, indicating your treatment is complete in the device.
It's supposed to like rejuvenate my skin from within. So let's see if it works. 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh, this feels kind of nice. All over my face. I hope I don't get an allergic reaction from this. I should have done 2 pumps. This is too much. Guys, I'm so scared. I'm like scared this is gonna hurt. Let's turn her on. Oh! Okay, like that. Oh my God, I can feel it. It's like vibrating. Oh my God, what is this doing anything? Do you guys see a difference? I don't know. Wait, actually, kind of. Wait, am I like more snatched on this side? Like, I feel like this cheekbone is like, you know? Wait, what? Let's just finish. Ow, my pimple. Is this a gimmick? Like, I might be doing it wrong. Okay, I rinsed off all the gel off my face. I feel like if anything, it just made my pimples angry at me. But anyway, let's just continue with our normal skincare. Girly, we are at my desk. Oh God, don't mind the mess back there. So I feel like a glow up has to consist of a few things. First of all, it all has to do with health, mental health, physical health, social health, emotional health. Now we're gonna do my makeup, and I would say that this has to do more with mental health. I just feel more confident when I have makeup on. I feel like a brand new person. I feel like just gonna be on top of today. And yeah, that's the vibes. So we're just gonna go in and do a little bit of makeup. Obviously, like my pimples are really mad at me right now. But anyway, let's just get in and do our normal makeup. Guys, how slabs really is that girl? Like, look at the concealer just like covered up my pimples right there. Like, obviously you can see a little bit of the texture, but like they're not red at all anymore. And I put like a very light layer. I just love this concealer so much. Just looks like skin. Ah, so good. So I actually got these new Jones Road Miracle Bombs. So let's try them out. I got them in 2 different shades. I want to go for like a more matte look. Okay, so I have the shade Flushed, very pretty rosy red, and then this is Dusty Rose. So it looks like Dusty Rose has like a little bit of a shimmer, and I like this color better anyway, so let's just go in with this one. I got it on my brush. Apparently this is supposed to give you like a nice sheen, like a nice pinky sheen. Let's try. Oh, that's pretty. Look at that. Okay. Let's just put the red back onto my face that I just covered up with concealer, huh? Though once I do the rest of my makeup, it'll all kind of like just blend out. I feel like I look very sun-kissed right now. We're gonna do a little bit of contour. I haven't been doing like much contour recently. I've been doing very light natural makeup, but since we're glowing up today, like might as well just go all out, you know what I mean? If there's gonna be a time where we're gonna put contour on, it should be now, right? I don't even have any plans today, so we'll see where the day takes us. I feel like my face just looks really oily. We're gonna go in with my Makeup Forever Ultra HD powder. I love this powder so much. It literally makes me look airbrushed. It's so good. Like, look at that. That's insane. And I put like the lightest layer ever. It's insane. It's just like the perfect translucent powder just to put over everything. It's so finely milled. Like, I have dry skin and it doesn't feel drying at all. Going with a little bronzy bronze. I've been loving this blush recently. It's a Korean brand called Daezik. Okay, the last thing for the face, we're gonna go in with the Charlotte Tilbury powder, just right into the under eyes, just to make everything super seamless. Onto the eyes. I was looking at myself and I was like, oh my god, you have a little tiny mustache, so let's just get rid of that, like just for a quick second. I just want like my base to be like perfect. I don't know if you guys can see. Probably not. I'm literally the person who judges myself the most. Like, don't come for me in the comments being like, girl, you don't have anything. Like, okay, relax. I know. This is just me, okay? Let's continue on. I did my eyeliner, I did my brows. We're just gonna quickly do our mascara. We're gonna go in with this Lancome Idoli mascara, my favorite mascara ever, as usual. Ah! Guys, it's already 12:40. Like, half the day's already over and I'm still here putting mascara on. For real though, this mascara is so good. Okay. Yeah, remind me to not talk while I'm doing my makeup. Could have poked my eye out. That's fine. It's whatever. I'm telling you guys, this mascara like will not rub, will not budge, will not even move a muscle by the end of the day. She's so good. Guys, I just feel so good right now. The vibes are immaculate right now. Okay, let's take a moment to appreciate the beautiful makeup that I have on right now. Like, she's gorgeous. So gorgeous. Okay, let's pick an outfit. Guys, let me just, so like, I'm just looking at myself and I'm like, girl, you have makeup on but you don't have an outfit on and your hair is ugly. You're just like weird. Like, there's something about having like your makeup done but like nothing else done that it's just something like, I feel like a clown. Anyway, so let's get an outfit. Apparently, we're gonna go to a coffee shop with none other than Genevieve. So, the vibes. Cozy, fresh, clean, as usual, because when are we not cozy, fresh, and clean? This is my closet. Honestly, like, I was thinking of wearing this skirt. It is so adorable. Maybe this is too much. I live in like a little small town, so if I wore this to the coffee shop, people are gonna be like, wow, who do you think you are? But also, like, who cares? Like, why do I even care? I feel like I'm just like falling victim to these like social expectations. And like, I'm sorry, like, I'm not gonna sit here and be like, yeah, like, I don't care about anyone. I don't care about what they think about me. I'm just gonna go out and do my thing. No, I do care. I am self-conscious and I have anxiety. Like, I'm not gonna do that. Anyway, I do wanna wear my gazelles, okay? My new shoes. Johnny got them for me for Christmas. This color is amazing. So like, low-key, I could wear my barrel jeans from Free People. These jeans are a little bit out there, but you know what? Screw the haters. I'm hungry. Guys, help me. Okay, maybe like a little turtleneck action. Okay, wait. I think I might be onto something. White rib turtleneck, blue jeans. Or do we do a hoodie? Like, hear me out. This green would look so good with this red shoe, right? Like, you're kidding. Okay, you know what? While I like have the outfit combinations marinating in my brain, let's do our hair really quick. I don't want it in a bun. Hi, okay, we're back in the bathroom. She's like honestly like not vibing. I feel like I should have washed it today. The workout made my hair kind of greasy. Oh god. I mean, it doesn't look that greasy, but like I can feel it and it feels a little itchy. Okay, it's fine. Like, I don't like when my hair looks like this at the top. It's just so flat. Ugh. Okay, let's do some dry shampoo. Oh my god. I just put freaking hairspray. Oh my god. No wonder I was like, why is my hair starting to feel crunchy? Oh my god! Guys, this is my dry shampoo. Wait, this is hairspray too. Wait, what the heck? I'm not okay. Oh my god. Are you freaking kidding me? Guys, it's maximum hold. I don't even know if I can come back from this. Ah, no. Guys, I look like Elvis. This is not okay. Wait, I'm not even joking right now. Oh my god. Okay, well that just made my hair worse. Let's put the dry shampoo in. Maybe this will fix it up a bit. Ugh. I feel like this is just, nothing's going to plan right now. Ah! Oh my god. Okay, let's just continue on. Also, I'm really hungry. Okay, we're gonna use the Wavy Talk. You guys know that I've been using this for a while, so like hopefully this is gonna like fix up my hair. I still can't believe I used hairspray in my roots. Oh my god. Now my roots just feel like crunchy. Okay, I need to like not be sad, okay? But you guys know like when your hair isn't right, like nothing else in the world is right, like that's what I'm feeling right now. I need to like just relax. It's fine. It's fine. We're glowing up. We're glowing up. This is not gonna ruin my day. Okay, gorgeous. Am I right? I feel like my roots don't look bad. Like it's fine. Honestly, I gave it like slight bit of volume. It's kind of messy, but let me just like tame it down a little bit and it'll be okay. I don't know. Like there's something about this area, like when my hair is dirty, it's just like not vibing. It looks weird and it makes my forehead look weird. Okay, I think that looks better. Whatever. Let's go do the outfit. If I think about it too much, it's gonna bother me too much and then I'm never gonna finish. So let's get on with the glow up. Okay, people. There's a tornado in my room of like all the clothes that I had to try on. But anyway, this is the outfit. We just got like a little long sleeve underneath from Banana Republic. Vintage chunky belt from my mom. The Free People jeans as usual. Red gazelles. And a little cardigan that I thrifted. That's the fit. And then I'm gonna wear my little Bottegi bag.
Hi guys, hopefully you can hear me. Before we leave the house, we gotta eat a little bit of a lunch. So I got broccoli, some fish, rice, and a single piece of tofu. This is leftovers from last night. I'm gonna quickly eat lunch and then we're gonna go grab some coffee. Ha!
Okay, girly pops. I just finished lunch. Quickly getting ready. I am so excited. I feel like the glow up is almost done. It's always at this time where I feel just so good. Honestly, it's like after I eat. Anyway, so we got our makeup done, our hair is done, the outfit's on. So now we're gonna do a little bit of jewelry. It's 2024, guys. Sorry, why am I always yelling? I've got like a whole bunch of like earrings here. So I got a few of these little hoopies and I think they're so cute. Look how adorable this is. And then the back is like a little sphere that is so adorable. Is that too chunky? I'm not used to like chunky earrings. I feel like it might be a little too much. Maybe let's try like a thinner hoop. These are like a smaller one. Okay, like that's slightly smaller. I think that's cute. But oh, hello. Okay, I'm like putting on earrings really quick. Okay, that is so cute. Those little tiny hoops. Yay! Okay, the earrings are done. We need to get our rings on. This is my little nail tree. I'm gonna put this one on. This one. I might go with this stack. Ugh, I don't know. That is cute. Let's put on my right hand so that no one thinks I'm like freaking married. I mean, like that's fine if they think I'm married, but like that's weird also. Anyway, that's the stack. And then on my wrists, I keep these bracelets on 24/7, so it's like the same. Karen Lazar and Silent Opus. I've been wearing this for like 2 years. I've never taken it off. Necklaces, rings, we got the vibes. Let me get my purse. Okay, before I leave, I'm gonna chew some gum. Because apparently, if you chew gum after your meal, you're less likely to get like cavities and stuff. Because apparently, I'm susceptible to gum disease because I barely floss. Bottegi bag, outfit, you guys know what the vibe is. And then got my shoes. And we are ready to go. Hey guys! Oh, the sun's out. Just enjoying our coffee. It's 2024. It's just like the vibes right now. So we're at a park and we're gonna go explore. It's cute. Got our coffee. Like, why am I out of breath? Look, so pretty. We made it to the top of the hill. Sit on this rock. Hello. I'm sorry, it is so late. But anyway, the glow up is done. You know, we took care of my social health. Hanging out is good for your health. Don't be all alone and stay inside all day. Like, you gotta go outside, get some sun. For the first outing of 2024, I think it was very successful. I feel like hanging out with my friends puts me in a better mood, you know? It's cause like, I'm not like angsty and being like,
I don't like hanging out with people. People are annoying. Like, girl, get a grip.
hello. Here's the zoomies. Hi. Anyway, I feel amazing and I feel like this year is gonna go to plan. We've got our goals, we're glowing up, we're taking care of ourselves. Like, this is what we're meant to be doing. Don't listen to the haters. You do you. Look good for yourself, look clean and healthy, be clean, be healthy, wash your hair, wash your sheets, do all the things. Anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I love glow videos. As you guys know, they are one of my favorite videos because I just love getting ready and looking pretty. So stay happy, stay healthy, and I will see you guys next week. Bye! Love you!